What is graphic designing? Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of creativity and design. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. What is graphic designing? Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, understanding the fundamentals of graphic design is essential. So, let's dive right in. Graphic design is a creative field that involves combining text, images, other visual elements to communicate messages effectively. It's everywhere around us, from the websites we visit to the logos we recognize. Graphic design plays a crucial role in shaping our visual experiences. Now, let's break it down further. Graphic design comprises several key elements, and the first one is typography. Typography is the art and technique of arranging type to make written language readable and appealing. Choosing the right fonts, sizes, and spacing helps convey the intended message and evoke emotions. Next up is color theory. Color theory is the study of how colors interact with each other and how they can influence our emotions. Designers use color strategically to create harmony, contrast, or evoke specific feelings in their designs. Another important aspect is layout and composition. Layout and composition refer to how the elements within a design are organized. It's all about creating a visually pleasing and well-balanced arrangement. Grid systems, alignment, and hierarchy help guide the viewer's eye and create a clear visual flow. Now, let's talk about imagery and illustration. Imagery and illustrations are powerful tools in graphic design. They can be used to enhance messages, tell stories, or create a certain atmosphere. Photographs, digital illustrations, and infographics are just a few examples of how designers incorporate visuals into their work. And last but not least, we have branding and logo design. Branding and logo design are crucial for any company or organization. A logo is the face of a brand and represents its identity. Designers work closely with clients to create unique logos that capture the essence of their brand and make it instantly recognizable. So, in a nutshell, graphic design is the art of combining typography, color, layout, imagery, and branding to visually communicate messages effectively. Graphic design is a diverse and exciting field, offering endless possibilities for creativity. Whether you're designing for print, digital platforms, or even motion graphics, mastering these elements will help you create impactful and visually stunning designs. That wraps up our discussion on what is graphic designing. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on design and creativity. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.